Hi everyone. Today we're going to see how to create sample project in JDeveloper. Okay, let's create in sample project. Before going to demo, I'll show some screen which is going to develop now. This is a screen we are going to develop now. This is going to see employee ID, first name, last name, phone number. These details come from employee table. Also, you can see this is a LOV, list of value. These details come from job table. So this screen involved two table. One is employee, another one is job. Let's see how to develop in JDeveloper. Okay, in order to develop ADF project, you can see there is record two model. One is model, another one is view controller. Let's create new project. In the application navigator, just come down, select a new application, just to give project name. You can select here Fusion Web Application. Next, this is a model project, just to keep default. Second one, view controller project, just to keep default. Finish. Now two projects has been created. One is model, another one is view controller. Now in the model project we will create a business component. Just a new business component from table. We need to create a connections. User ID, password, localhost. Or suppose if any have IP number, IP address, test connection success. Okay, now it's okay. Now you can see after establishing connection, it will display all the schema in a database. In my case, select a schema, HR schema, just to give query. When you query that one, it will display all the tables from HR schema. I will take employee table. This is a entity table. Just a package model.evo. Just a next click. This one is updatable VO. This is a VO based on the entity based VO. Just I'll put the package structure updatable VO. This is employee VO. Third one is read only, which is going to display read only. Not able to edit or update anything here. Just a job ID. I put the package here, read only. Finally is application model, which is all the view are going to hold this application model. Okay, now a business component has been created. Now you can see in the application model, data section, data model section. Here all the view which has been created. So here you can see here employee 2. This is has been created primary key, foreign key based on the constraint. It automatically ADF JDeveloper it will create it. So in the case not required primary key, foreign key constraint, just remove simple employee and job. Now employee and job we are going to show in screen. Okay, here you can see the data section. Whatever the add an application model view, employee view, it will display here, which is going to ready to display in screen. In the data section, data controller, app model, data control, here to employee and job. Let's create one page to how to display this two table in screen. Select view controller, web tier, select JSF page. You can this is a default page here, page name. Here you can see here this is a template. It's the default template. I will go 1-3 column layout. Okay, here you can see this is a facet, start facet, center facet, end facet. Okay, I don't want to start facet. I'm going to delete now. End also not required. Just center facet is enough. Okay, in data controller, just employee drag over to center facet. Okay, before that I will go to create some LOV in employee VO. I can go to employee VO. You can see select job ID. When you select the job ID, it will display here list of value. So select this plus icon. Here you can add job VO. After adding, it will display all the column. Which column I'm going to map? I'm going to map job ID, view and source job ID. Also UAint, which is data I'm going to display in screen. I'm going to display job ID in job title. Now has been LOV has been created. So just to data control refresh. Now we'll go to page. Just drag over employee VO in center facet. And you can see this is a layout style here, component style. Now I'm going to form ADF form. Also you can delete what are, suppose if you don't want any data to display, you can delete. Also you can reorder the structure. I'm going to include navigation, also submit button. Okay, you can see data overs here. Now we're going to some alignment here. This is a straight line, so I will do some alignment here. Rows 2 row, maximum columns 2. Now little bit alignment is over here. Okay, now is submit button next line, so we need to alignment this. Select here submit button. You can go to source, just to copy this, add in group layout. Now is same line here. Okay, now we'll test this one. Right click, run the page. Now page is loading now. Yeah, you can see here next record, also LOV job LOV. Okay, suppose if anything updated, it will not store in database because we didn't put some commit operation. So we need to put in commit operation in submit button. Just to come here, in application model there is two operators available. This commit and rollback all are maintained in application model. Just to commit drag over in submit button. Also text here, also disable, because in commit and rollback default disable mode, so I'm going to enable this one. Okay, now we can see here in the code execute commit button is available now. Now when you save the now when you save changes, it will store in database. Now again going to run now. Now again loading updatable page. Now you can see, now when you submit, it will store in database. Thank you guys.